Why most people arrive at the airport and immediately go into chaos mode. They're fumbling for passports, stressing about the security line, and blessed looking exactly like Carl at the TSA bin. Today, I'm giving you the airport day system that keeps us calm even when the flight is delayed. Ask me how I know. We've navigated many airports without a single panic attack. Let's get into the rules. Rule number 1, the T-minus 24 checklist. The chaos starts the day before you leave. We don't wait for the airport to find out our seat has changed. We have a digital system. Check in exactly at the 24-hour mark. Screenshot the boarding passes and confirm the gate. Why screenshots? Because airport Wi-Fi is a chaos magnet. Don't be that person at the gate with a spinning wheel on the phone while everyone else is boarding. Rule number 2, the security uniform. We're looking at you, Carl. Stop wearing the belt with 15 buckles and the lace-up boots. You're a responsible adult. Wear the slip-ons. Our security system is simple. Everything out of the pockets and into the bag before you hit the line. If you're fumbling at the bin, you're the bottleneck. Be the person who glides through while everyone else is wrestling with their laptop. Anyway, quick pause. If you want this entire system printed out so you don't have to memorize it, grab our airport day checklist below. It's the exact map we use to stay calm. Also, if you're tired of traveling alone, join our private Facebook group. We're planning our next hosted trip right now, and we'd love to have you. Rule number 3, the gate sanctuary. Once you're through security, the panic usually sets in. People start hovering over the gate like 45 minutes early. Don't do that. Find a sanctuary, a quiet spot away from the crowd, hydrate and check the boards. Have some playtime. Our system is to move only when our group is called. No rushing, no chaos, just adventure. Traveling as an adult shouldn't feel like a survival movie. It should feel like the start of your vacation. Use these systems, stay calm, and leave the chaos to Carl. If this helped you, hit the like button. No chaos, just adventures, and we'll see you on the next hosted trip.